Hey guys, welcome to the video. I'm going to be working on my truck to get the motor ready to come out. You can see I already did some stuff on this side, which I still got quite a bit of stuff to take off. But I'm going to do some stuff here, some stuff that's probably not real legal to do, but I'm going to get some stuff done here, then get the truck over to the garage and start pulling it out. So if I don't talk for a while, just enjoy the video. I gotta unhook all these wires that I have running from my lights and shit on the grill and everything that I already took out. My air horn. Oh, that's nice. I have to replace that. Waiting for my dad to get back from town. And on the 10th of this month, which was a couple days ago, my dad's birthday. So I got him his usual case of beer that I get him every year. I know, hell of a birthday present, huh? I'm gonna have to. Oh, never mind. Fixed it. Come on. I'm probably gonna have to fix this one here for sure. Yeah, this video here, I don't mind. I won't mind it too much if you happen to leave, or you just check it and see what I'm doing and everything like that. I won't mind it because I know just watching somebody try to get everything going, getting ready to pull doesn't interest some people, so which is quite understandable. Oh, wrong way. But when I go underneath the truck, there ain't no way I'm gonna be able to take my GoPro underneath there, so I won't film that stuff there because I'll be under the truck and there won't be too much light. So you just have to see what you can see, and I'll show you just when we're setting it down in and everything else. Alright, how did I put that one on there? And it figures I ain't got the right size. Okay then. It goes that way, so I might be able just to snip it there. Put this one here, and gotta come over here. And take it from here. Get out of here, you buzzing bastard. Fucking bee. Ugh. Can't stand bees. Anybody else hate bees? I know I do. Hate them with a damn passion. Oh yeah. This is the illegal part. We're not really supposed to do this way, but ask me if I give a hoot. I'm gonna go get a regular 13 wrench instead of a 13 ratchet wrench. And hopefully my phone don't die, even though it's on 2%. So I'm probably only going to be able to record for a little while. But I record as much as I can. Oh yeah, she's squirting out pretty good. Alright, 13 millimeter. Where are you? I'm probably looking right at it. Told you. And this stuff here, don't breathe this shit. This shit's fucking nasty. And when you take these off, make sure you don't lose your O-ring. And what I always do, I always put my nut back on. That way I don't lose it. Move that up out of the way. Break this one loose. And then next I gotta drain the old antifreeze. Alright, I think my condenser should be able to come out after this. Yeah, I got 2 bolts. One down there, which I don't know how the hell I'm gonna get. I might be able to get it after take this piece out, I think. Yeah, right here. Okay. Yeah. Alright. Alrighty then. Go get some tools. Some power tools. I think. Alright, I need a 10 millimeter, which is right there. I need this guy with my Craftsman's 3/8 gun. So I can take my front valence off for my hold my headlights and everything on. At least it's a nice day for this shit. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be able to get the top one open, and that's 8 millimeter. Won't be able to use this. That sucks. But oh well, I guess. Story of my life. So, put that back in there. That guy back there. Grab an 8 millimeter. Is that an 8? Nope, that's a 7. Grab 8 millimeter 1/4 inch drive. 1/4 inch drive ratchet. One that actually works. That one's kind of broke bad. Hey, that one works. I would be doing this down where I work at, but I'd rather do it here with my dad. So 1, I get to spend time with him, and 2, well, more or less get to spend time with him. And if somebody else can't justify doing that, well, you know where to go and how to get there. And if you could see my face, I'd say, do I look like I care what anybody else thinks? Nope, I do not. Oh my lord. Be here 10 years and 5 days. I wonder if I should just, instead of doing this, why don't I just take the bottom out? I'm gonna get all my walking in today. Going back and forth between the garage and back here until I move the truck up to the garage. So I got a hole here, I can get right to that one. Didn't even see that. So guess what? I got a nice little orange gun wherever the hell I put it in the garage. So all I need to do now is get my orange gun and an extension. And then I can get the front valence off, plug my lights, and get cracking. Alright, change that out. Don't need the Phillips head no more. And yeah, it is a Black & Decker gun. And yeah, a lot of people don't like Black & Decker. But you know what? I've been using it for a little over a year and a half now. I haven't had no issues whatsoever. And and I use it religiously every day. Uh-oh. Don't want to lose that. Put that in my pocket before I lose it. I don't know how well you are able to see, but probably not seeing everything I'm doing, but probably seeing almost enough. Any bolts anywhere? I'm gonna say there's more bolts behind the headlights. I think I forget how to take the fucking headlights out. I know I got some screws down there. I don't remember. Oh, I got other bolts. Oh, you bastards. Alright. Connectors for the lower one. So I should be able to just lift this up, right? I'm fucking sure. Yeah, I thought. What's goodbye. Ta-da! Put this in the bed because it don't leak, even though it looks pretty sad. It don't leak. Am I forgetting bolts somewhere?
What is on your head?
My GoPro. Dad really don't care for the the videoing, so don't mind him. What? Oh, in the back of the car. Oh, shouldn't be. I remember how everything goes. Probably gonna have to snip them wires and I'm gonna put them all back together.
Actually, probably take this fucking piece out.
That's what I'm working on. I forget. I got the 4 bolts here out. I go into the core support, but I don't forget how to get these out.
Headlights.
Nah.
Clip there. You gotta have the right tool.
Ow.
You have the right tool to get the headlight out.
Is it just one clip?
This headlight's missing the fucking tool. Missing the clip.
Oh.
See that white thing?
Yeah.
See that clip down there?
Yeah.
That's where the clip's supposed to be.
Oh.
That's why a headlight probably shines down on the road. You put it up where it belongs, it's going to shine to the moon.
Hmm.
This one should have, see?
Yeah.
And that takes a special clip. Or you got to get down on it. See them little fingers that go into that thing? Tool goes down in there, spread it apart, and it goes up against that lip and comes up.
Yeah.
It's a Ford headlight remover tool.
Oh.
It's the only one that fucking has it. That's why I bitch about my 94 all the time.
Well.
I mean, you can pull them out.
How would I do it then?
Take the drive, you can push them apart. Push them clips out of there. I ain't got nothing to grab a hold of.
Alright guys, my phone's about ready to die, so I will record more here after a bit once I charge my phone some more. So I will talk to you guys later. Later guys.